also. Okay, Nihal says, I think he meant bad. Nihal, you want to share with us what happened, or do you want to just... Okay, Vaishnavi feels nice.
Hello, Didi.
Hi.
That number you have, it is your
Which one?
who have messaged me.
I don't know. I didn't message you. I think it must be one of your group members. They must have messaged you to join class. Okay. Yeah. Nihal says no mood for learning because not too much people. But you know what, Nihal? In the last class we have 15. We had 15. This class we have 10. So totally we have what? 25 people learning the same thing. So 25 of your classmates will learn. So it's a good thing. Shreya feels awesome. Great. Okay. So we are done with checking in with people. Um, Make sure that your friends are feeling good. Okay. Take good care of your friends. Pallavi, please mute. Do you know how to mute, Pallavi?
Yes.
Okay. Please mute yourself. Okay. Right. So now we are going to, I don't know if you guys have played the game of which is bigger. Okay. But we're going to play that game. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to write two numbers on the uh, board and you're going to tell me which one is bigger, option A or option B. Okay. If that's clear to you, give me a thumbs up. What are we doing now? And you're going to, yes.
Didi, can you repeat once more? I can't hear you.
Okay, sorry. So we are going to do the which is bigger wala question. Okay, so I will write two numbers on the board and you're going to tell me which one is bigger, option A or option B. And you're going to tell it to me on the private chat. Private chat meaning you will take my name from the chat and send it only to me. Okay, clear, no? Give me thumbs up if it's clear. Yeah, Prince has got it. Others are not clear. Prince, do you want to repeat the instructions for the other people? I like those fruits and vegetables that you're showing us. Looks really nice. Yes. Okay, Prince, could you tell your friends what I just said? If you can hear me? No, okay.
Didi,
Yeah.
I can't hear you properly.
I think it's because you're outside. Can you use earphones?
I don't have Didi.
Okay. I'll try to be louder, but I think because you're outside, it will be a little difficult for you to hear me. But okay, we will try. Okay. So I'm going to put down two numbers. You're going to tell me which one is bigger. And these are decimals, okay? Decimal numbers. The first number is 0.5 and the second number is 0.05. Okay, this is option A and this is option B. You're going to tell me in the chat which one is bigger. Private chat, okay? Quickly now. Which one is bigger? It's okay if you're wrong, you can just guess. Okay, I'm getting very different answers. I got two answers now. Waiting for more. I have got answers from Shreya and Vaishnavi. I'm waiting for everybody else to answer. All right, I got an answer from Prince.
Repeat the question, Didi.
Yeah, the question is which one is bigger, 0.5 or 0.05? Okay, Nandini has sent it to me on WhatsApp, the answer. Okay, okay. Sanya, yeah, I'm just asking which one is bigger, option A or option B. A is 0.5 and B is 0.05. Quickly, quickly. This, if you have done in the last class, you don't have to join this class, okay? But if you have not, then you need to. Okay, I got Pallavi's answer also. All right. Thank you, guys. I've got a lot of answers. I would say Sanya got it, Nihal got it, Prince got it.
Excuse me, Didi. Excuse
Can
me.
you say again?
Lakshmi, you have joined, no, previous class, ne?
No, Didi.
You were not. Oh, yeah, you were not there. Okay. So my
Didi.
question.
Didi,
Okay.
Didi.
Hmm.
Didi, I don't attend this class.
Yeah, you
That you
attended the previous one, na? Yeah.
Yeah,
No problem.
I don't know what is it. Then I think that 0.5 is
No,
bigger.
no, it's okay. It's okay if you're not supposed to know it. I'm just asking just to see how many of you know it. It's okay if you don't know also. But your answer was right. Right? So here the bigger number is 0.5 and the small number is 0.05, and I will explain how and why. Okay? And for explaining how, I'm going to use the number line. So here I will draw the number line. Okay, it's a little not straight. Take it. So in the number line, you have 0 and 1. Now both 0.5 and 0.05 are between 0 and 1. Okay, and I'll show you how you can
Didi,
find.
can you say loudly? I cannot hear you.
Sure. Okay, so both 0.5 and 0.05 are both between 0 and 1 on the number line. Okay, so I will show you where it comes, right? So the first thing is 0.5. 0.5, for that, you have to look at how many decimal points are there. Okay, in 0.5, how many numbers are there after the decimal? Quickly come off mute and tell me how many numbers are there.
1.
1. Very good. So there's this one number, and that is 5. So if there is only one number in the decimal, you will divide this space into 10 pieces. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. These are 10 pieces between 0 and 1. And to find 0.5, you will pick the fifth piece. So you go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This is your 0.5. It's exactly in the middle between 0 and 1. Okay. And this will be 0.1. This will be 0.2. This will be 0.3, 0.4, this is 0.5. It goes all the way up to 0.9, and then it becomes 1.
Didi, how do you count 10?
So if there is only one decimal place, okay, what that means is that it's the tens place. So the line between 0 and 1 are divided into 10 pieces. Now I'll show you 0.01, so that will make it more clear to you. So if I take 0.05, okay, there are two decimal places. Okay, so then you have to take 100. Okay, you have to divide this line into 100 tiny little pieces. Okay, here there is only one decimal place, so you're going to take only 10. Now the number of decimal places is equal to the number of zeros after 1. Yeah, so if it is 0.05, you're going to take 100 decimal places, 100 pieces, which means you will divide this line into 100 tiny pieces. Okay, I'm not going to do all. Huh?
And Didi, if the number is 0.1, so we'll divide the number line into 10 pieces.
Yes. If it is 0.1, you'll divide it into 10 pieces and you'll take the first piece. If it is 0.01, you'll divide it into 100 pieces and you'll take the first one. Okay, I'm going to explain this again. I think
Yeah, I'm not understanding.
I know. I'll explain it one more time. Okay. Do you guys remember 1 by 10, 2 by 10, all of those things? If yes, give me a thumbs up. Yes, Sanya remembers. There are some
Can you speak
people.
loudly?
Yeah, there are some people who did not attend that class also. For that, I will take extra class, right? Okay, so I will explain first only 1 by 0.5, okay? So here on the number line, I am putting 0 and 1, okay? Between 0 and 1, there are many small numbers which are decimals, okay? So to find them, you have to cut this into several pieces. Now, if you have only one number in the decimal place, for example, 0.5, okay, then you're going to divide this into 10 pieces. If you have two numbers in the decimal point, then you will divide this line into 100 pieces. If you have three numbers in the decimal, then you will divide this line into 1000 pieces. Yeah. The number of decimal points is equal to the number of zeros. So if it is one decimal point, you're taking 10. If it is two decimal points, you're taking 100. If it's three decimal points, you're taking 1000. So you can see there are three zeros in 1000, right? Okay. So once that is clear, we will look at only 0.5. Okay, 0.5, you have to get it. You have to make this line into 10 pieces, equal pieces. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And okay, I lost my, yeah. And then if you take the fifth one, you're going to get 0.5. The first one is 0.1. The sixth one is 0.6. The seventh one is 0.7, etc. Is that clear? How to find 0 point some number if it is only one decimal place? Yes, Shreya, Lakshmi, Sanya are clear. Others, if you have a question, please ask me.
Did you not understand?
Okay, Prince, if I ask you to find 0.6 or 0.3 in this number line, how will you do it? Just try.
Didi,
Hmm.
I will find if we will go to 0.6, no? So then we will go 6 ahead.
Very good. So you have understood it, right? So between 0 and 1, you're going to cut it into 10 pieces and each one is 0.1, 0.2, 0.3, etc. Yeah?
Okay, and now I understood.
Yeah, very good. This much is clear. Keep this in your mind. Now we will look at two decimal places. All right. So if you have two decimal places, what will happen is this entire big line will be divided. Oh, Vaishnavi, you have a question? Please ask me. You can come off mute and you can ask me. ठीक है. I can't hear you, Vaishnavi. Just type it in the chat. I'll answer it later. Okay. All right. So you have, let's say you have two decimal places, that is 0.05. Okay. This would mean that you are going to divide this line into 100 pieces. Okay. So that means the pieces will be very small. Okay. I can't draw all of that now. We don't have time for that. But between each 0.1 and 0.051, you're going to have 10 pieces. So each of these will be divided into 10 pieces. Totally, there will be 100 pieces. And in that, if you take the fifth one, so let's say 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, it will be somewhere here, which is 0.05. Is that clear? I know it's a little confusing. If you want, I can explain it with the help of fractions, okay? If you guys remember fractions may we divide something into 10 pieces. Let's say if it's 5 by 10, that means you're dividing something into 10 pieces and you're taking the fifth one. You're taking 5 of them. It's the same as 0.5, right? Okay, I have. Okay, all right. I'm getting some messages. Give me a second. Okay, we'll take this really slowly. I know it's a little confusing. How many of you were there for the fractions class? Raise your hand if you were there for the fractions class. Yeah, Shreya was there. Sanya was there. Only Shreya and Sanya.
Didi, which fraction class?
The one where I asked you which one is bigger, and then we did like we divided the line into 10 pieces, and you took one piece out of that, and then you said it's 1 by 10. That one. Yeah, Lakshmi was there. I remember that. I think Sanjana was also there. Okay, so we'll do one thing. I'm changing this class entirely because I'm seeing that nobody is understanding. Okay, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to ask Lakshmi, Sanya, Shreya, and Sanjana to leave the call because I'm going to teach from the beginning. I'm going to teach the others from the beginning. Is that okay with you? Beginning matlab from the fraction. Okay. So thank you guys. So Sanjana, Lakshmi, Shreya, and Sanya can leave if they want to. If you want to listen again, you can. Okay, great. Others will stay. Okay. I don't know if you guys are there. Can you all just say a hi on the chat? Just say hi on the chat.
Hi.
Yes, I can hear Sunny. What about others?
Hi.
Hi.
Okay, very good, very good. I think Prince was also there. Very good. Okay, everybody is there. So I'm going to start from the very beginning. Okay. I'm going to start from fractions. Okay. So in fractions, I'm again going to do this game where I ask you which one is bigger. Okay. So I'm going to start by doing some simple fractions. Yes, Sanjana, you want to say something?
Didi, by mistake.
Okay, no problem. Now I'm going to ask you which one is bigger, 1 by 10 or 2 by 10. This is very easy. Which one is bigger, 1 by 10 or 2 by 10? By Shreya.
2 by 10.
Yeah, very good. So what we are going to do is on the chat privately, you are going to answer to me, okay, from the next question onwards. Okay. 2 by 10 is bigger. Before we move forward, what is the meaning of 1 by 10 and what is the meaning of 2 by 10? Could somebody tell me? Someone who was not there in the first class. Okay, I will tell you, okay. Let's say you have a pizza, right? And you cut that pizza into 10 pieces, okay? 10 small pieces. That is your denominator, okay? You have 10 equal pieces of pizza. 1 by 10 means 1 piece out of the 10 pieces. 2 by 10 means 2 pieces out of the 10 pieces. Is that clear? Yes or no? Yeah. Very easy, right?
Yes.
I think Nihal, you also have taken part in this class, but it's okay if you want to stay, you can stay. Yeah, right. This is clear. Now I'm going to ask you the flip of that, okay? Opposite of that. Jisme the denominator will be different and the numerator will be same. Let's say I take 2 by 10 and then I take 2 by 5. Which one is bigger? A or B? You have to put it in the chat. In the chat, not out loud, in the chat. And privately to me, not to everyone here, to me. Okay, a lot of you are saying A. I want everybody to answer. Nandini, just try. It's okay if you don't get it right. Okay. Okay, great. Prince has got the right answer. Very good, Prince. So I will explain how and why. First, before that, just think about one thing. You have a pizza, okay? This is all going to be pizza related. Please don't feel hungry. You have a pizza and you cut it into 10 pieces and you take 2 of them. Or you have a pizza, you cut it into 5 pieces and you take 2 of them. Which one is bigger? how will you get more pizza? If you cut it into 10 pieces and take 2 pieces, you will get how much pizza? And if you have a pizza and cut it into 5 pieces and take 2, which one will be bigger? 5 piece wala or 10 piece wala? Guys, you can come off mute and tell me. Riaz, I will ask you. Okay, Riaz, you have a pizza. Okay, you're going to cut it into 10 pieces and eat it, or you're going to cut it into 5 pieces and eat it. Which pieces will be bigger?
10.
If you have a pizza and you cut it into 10 pieces, it will be bigger than the 5-piece pizza. How come? Same size pizza, okay? Same size wala pizza. Okay, this is one pizza, this is another pizza. I'm cutting this one into 10 pieces. Okay, that's 10 pieces. This one I'm cutting into 5 pieces. It's not equal, but which pieces are bigger, Riyaz? Riyaz, you're on mute. You'll have to unmute yourself.
This is 5, 2 by 5.
Yeah, 2 by 5. Very good. So you've got it, na? Clear, na? Okay. So now you know when the denominator is bigger, then the number will be smaller. Right? The number of pieces come in the denominator and the number of total pieces come in the denominator and the number of pieces that you take will come in.
Can you speak loudly? I can't hear you.
Okay, sorry. Yes, Lakshmi, Omkar and Mary have attended this class already, so they know this. If you take the example of pizza, you will get the answer very easily. All right, Sunny has also got it now. I think everybody has understood. So now I'm going to show you how to show these numbers on the number line. Okay. Same concept, same way you're going to do it. Think of the number line as a pizza, then it will be easier for you. I am looking at 2 by 5 and 2 by 10. Okay, so first we will look at 2 by 5. All right. Yeah, Omkar, cake also. Yeah. So 0 and 1 are there. Okay. You're looking at 2 by 5. Now imagine that the line between 0 and 1 is a pizza. Okay, and I'm cutting it into 5 pieces. Denominator may what the number is, that is how many pieces I'm cutting. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yeah, that's for 5 pieces. Okay, and then I take 2 of them. That means 1 and 2. This is your 2 by 5. Clear? Okay. Can somebody tell me where will 3 by 5 come? Vaishnavi, can you tell me where will it
will?
yes, Nihal. Correct. So this will be 3 by 5. 3 pieces out of 5 pieces. This is 4 by 5 and this is 5 by 5. 5 by 5 is also called 1 because it's all the entire pizza, right? So that's one full pizza. Okay, all 5 pieces out of the 5 pieces. Very good. Now imagine this will be 1 by 5. Now imagine I'm cutting this pizza further into 10 pieces. Okay, so between 0 and 1, the number line is, imagine it's a pizza. What you're going to do, you're going to cut it this way. Each piece is cut again into smaller 2 pieces. Now totally there are 10 pieces. Now tell me, where will you mark 2 by 10? 2 pieces out of 10 pieces. Tell me. Yeah, the second one. Very good. Very good. So out of the 10 pieces, I'm going to take 1, 2. 2 of them. This is 2 by 10. You can see it's the same as 1 by 5. That's okay. It's the same as 1 by 5, but this is where you will write 2 by 10. Is this clear to everybody? Give me a thumbs up if it is clear. Yeah. Yeah. Sunil got it. Okay. All right. Very good. So where will I mark? Okay. I'll ask you a question. Which number will be?
Did he give sums?
Yeah. I can't give sums right now. I'll just finish this. Which number will be this one? Sorry, 1 second. I'll mark it clearly. This one, which one will it be? Count and see. Anyone can answer. Okay, I'm getting some. Priyas, how will 5 become between 1 and 0? 5 is bigger than 1, no? So how will it be between 1 and 0? Guys, think about it. This is a pizza which is cut into 10 pieces. Which piece is this? Very good. Sunil or Anjali, both of them have got it. One of them has got it. I don't know who. I'll make it very, very easy, okay? From the start, I'm going to show you. Sorry. There's 0 and 1 on the number line. This is a full pizza. I'm cutting it into 10 pieces. Okay. Which number will be here? Tell me. This is 1 by 10, okay? This is 2 by 10. Okay, I'm seeing some chats. Let me see. Where is it? Okay, Lakshmi, Omkar and Mary have got it. Yeah, Riyaz, you're right. Very good, Prince. Oh, yeah, that is true. That is. Prince, just check one more time. Just count and check one more time. This is 0, by the way. Waiting for answers from Nandini, Neha, Sunny. All of you, please answer. Okay, I'll tell you. This is 1 by 10, 2 by 10, 3 by 10, 4 by 10. This is 5 by 10. Simple. This will be 6 by 10, 7 by 10, 8 by 10, 9 by 10 and 10 by 10, which is equal to 1. Yeah. Now if you answer, it's too late, but it's okay. Good try. You've understood it. I'll ask you another question now. Okay, I'm going to split this into 6 pieces, okay? Sorry, 7 pieces. There are 7 pieces and I'm taking this one. What will be there? What is this number? Think about it. There are 6 pieces. Sorry, 7 pieces. Very close, Nihal, very close. Very good. Sunil has got it. Nihal, there are 7 pieces, not 8 pieces.
Didi, I got it.
Prince, where is your answer? I'm not able to see. Yeah, correct. Very good. Your answer, I'll tell you the answer, okay? I'll tell you who all got it right also. The answer will be, sorry, 5 by 7. Okay, so there are 7 pieces between 0 and 1, right? And so that will be the denominator. 7 pieces. Say you are taking the 5th one. So you will take this. This is your 5 by 7. Now you guys understood how to mark numbers on the number line, right? Yeah.
Yes, Didi.
Okay. All right. Okay, very good. Now I'm just going to ask you again about which number is bigger and all of that, just to check your understanding. Okay. Which one will be bigger? 5? No, not 5. I already did 5. Let's say 4 by 9 and 4 by 11. Which one will be bigger? Bigger. Is it going to be 4 pieces out of 9 or 4 pieces out of 11, which is going to be bigger? Very good, Riyaz. Very good, Nihal. Very good, Lakshmi. Very good, Sunil. Very good, Prince. Okay. अगर flip करोगे तो what will happen? Wait, I'll flip and show you. That you can't do. Okay, I'll show something else. Okay, I'll make both the denominators same by 11. Okay, you take 2 by 11 and 7 by 11, which is bigger. Simple. A or B? No. Now you guys are getting confused. 11 pieces से 2 या 11 pieces से 7. Which one is bigger? Think of the pizza. You have 11-piece pizza. You're going to take 2 out of them, or you take 7 out of them. Which is going to be bigger? How will you have more pizzas? If you take 2 pieces or if you take 7 pieces? Guys, why is this confusing? Can you have a piece of, wait, I'm just going to stop sharing the screen. 1 second. Listen carefully, you have 1 pizza. Okay, you're cutting it into 11 pieces. If you take 2, will you have more? Or if you take 7, will you have more? If you take 2, if you eat 2 pieces of pizza or if you eat 7 pieces of pizza, which is more?
7.
7, right? So I don't understand what is, you guys are not paying attention. It's like a simple, really simple question, right? So again, I'll explain key at the bottom, denominator is the total number of pieces. And at the top, numerator mein how many pieces are you taking, right? And the more number of pieces there are in the pizza, the smaller the pieces will be. Is that clear to you? Yeah? Okay. Yeah, Riyaz has got it now.
Didi,
Yeah.
give one more question.
Okay, I'm going to give 2 more questions, okay? And it's going to be
Okay.
different each time. Okay. Hmm. Now remember, you are taking 8 pieces. Okay. In one of them, the pizza is cut into 20 and you're taking 8 pieces out of that. In the other one, the pizza is cut only into 10 pieces and you're taking 8 from that. Which will be bigger? Both pizzas are the same size. Which one is going to be bigger, guys? Very good. Nihal and Sunil have got it right. Prince has got it. Neha, I hope you can hear me. I've not seen any answers from you, that's why. Good. Okay. So now the bigger one is 8 by 10 because totally that pizza is cut into 10 pieces and you're taking 8 out of them. So the pieces are big. If you cut it into 20 pieces, then the pieces will be very, very small. So if you take 8 out of that, it's going to be really small, right? Now I'm going to flip it and I'm going to ask you. Okay, same thing, 8 by 10 and 6 by 10. Which will be bigger? Prince, can you tell me why you said 6 by 10 is bigger? Yeah, Sunil's got it. Prince, can you give your explanation? I think you're on mute.
What, Didi?
Can you tell me why you said 6 by 10 is bigger?
Didi, because because then no, I am wrong.
Okay, all right. So you've got it. Yeah, I think everybody has understood it. What I'll do now is I know it's a lot, so I'm just going to stop here. I will have to make both of you into different groups now. This is going to be batch B. You guys are going to be batch B because batch A has already finished this and they have already reached decimals. Okay, so I'm going to have to take a lot of extra classes with you guys because you have missed so many classes, right? So you guys are just going to, can somebody take down attendance? I think Lakshmi has already taken attendance, so she can do it. Is that okay, Lakshmi? Lakshmi,
What, Didi?
can you take down the attendance? Just write down who all are there. I didn't make the attendance form and it will take time now. So just take screenshot.
Okay, Didi, I am taking.
Yeah, and just write it down. Okay. Okay. So guys, on today's class on 1 to 5, how much did you understand? 1 is I didn't understand anything and 5 is I understood everything. Just put it on the chat. If you've understood everything, put 5. If you understood nothing, put 1. If you understood little bit, you can put 3. Almost everything, you can write 4. Okay, I'm seeing a lot of 4s and 5s.
Can you say again?
Yeah. I was just saying, if you have understood everything, put 5. If you didn't understand anything, put 1. If you understood little bit, put 3. Okay, Sunny's got 3. All right. Most of you have got 5 and 4. So that's really good. I'll send you guys a worksheet. Okay. And you're going to answer it and submit it. Okay. Just now on the group. All right. Thank you all for coming. Please be regular in class. Tomorrow we'll have a lot of fun. Tomorrow full batch will come together. We'll have science and we'll do something fun. Okay.
Didi,
Yeah.
that I and Rohan are the monitor of Omkar and
Yeah, I don't know. Just check. You have to just make a group or you can call them also.
Yeah.
You don't have to do any of like group if you don't want
Yes.
to. But make sure that they come. Yeah. And guys, I have sent you a fact sheet of science of the previous lesson. Please copy it in your notebook. It will come for the test next week. Okay.
Didi,
Yeah.
I not attend all the class.
That's okay. Even if you didn't attend, you can still read it. You can write it. If you have any doubts, you can ask me. I'll explain it to you.
Okay,
All of you
Didi.
guys, yeah, everybody who has missed out many classes, it's okay. Just copy the notes for now. Okay. And if you have any questions from that, anything you don't understand, please ask me. You can also watch the videos of the classes, then you will understand. Okay. All right, everyone. I'm going to end the call now. Bye bye.